how to sign in to Microsoft Copilot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So I'll show you how to sign in to Microsoft Copilot in Windows 11 so you can unlock all its features like chat history, personalized responses, and advanced AI tools. So let's dive right in. Open up your Copilot and then head over to sign in on the bottom left. Then you will need to tap on sign in and then put in your Microsoft account's email, or you can use your phone or Skype number. You will need to enter your password or your PIN. And that's it. You have been signed in into your Microsoft Copilot. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.